No, what's happening? How come today we got a lot of complaint. This one what? Singapore Stay Raya. What? Singapore doesn't want to sing. Huh? He doesn't want to sing, he's a Singaporean. He saw something big and scary in the pool. He saw something big and scary in the pool. But I already checked the pool.